Is Wealthsimple Tax really free? It's a question that echoes through countless Canadian households every tax season. We're bombarded with ads for tax software, many touting free options, but often there's a catch, a hidden fee, or a limitation that only becomes apparent when you're halfway through entering your T4S. So, when a major player like Wealthsimple, known for its investment and banking services, enters the tax game promising a truly free experience, it's understandable to be skeptical. Is it too good to be true? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Wealthsimple Tax to answer that burning question: is Wealthsimple Tax truly free? We'll peel back the layers, examine their pricing model, explore the features available at no cost, and even compare it to other popular tax software options in Canada. By the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear understanding of what free means in the context of Wealthsimple Tax, allowing you to make an informed decision for your next tax filing. Let's set the stage. For years, tax season in Canada has been synonymous with either shelling out money for expensive software or wrestling with complex paper forms. Then came online solutions, offering convenience but often at a price. Wealthsimple, a company that has disrupted the financial industry with its user-friendly and often low-cost services, stepped into this landscape with Wealthsimple Tax, formerly known as Simple Tax. Their core promise? Making tax filing simple, straightforward, and most importantly, free. But what does free really entail? When you hear free tax software, your mind might immediately jump to basic returns only, or a limited number of forms. Perhaps you think it's only free if your income is below a certain threshold. These are common restrictions with other free offerings. So, let's address these concerns head-on. Wealthsimple Tax proudly states that their basic plan is pay what you want, which includes the option to pay $0. Yes, that's right, you can genuinely choose to pay nothing at all. This isn't just for a select few with simple tax situations, it applies to a vast majority of Canadian taxpayers. They explicitly state there are no restrictions on what you can file under this basic, pay what you want plan. This is a crucial distinction. Whether you have employment income, investment income, self-employment income, or need to claim deductions for medical expenses, charitable donations, or childcare expenses, all these forms and scenarios are included in the free tier. Think about that for a moment. Most competitors will charge you extra for anything beyond the most basic T4 income. Want to claim a few medical expenses? That'll be an upgrade. Have some self-employment income? Prepare to pay significantly more. Wealthsimple Tax breaks this mold by offering comprehensive coverage within their pay what you want model. This is a huge advantage for many Canadians who might have slightly more complex tax situations but still want to avoid paying for software. So, why would a company offer such a robust product for free? This is where the business model comes into play, and it's actually quite clever. Wealthsimple's primary business is investment management and other financial services like banking and trading. They offer Wealthsimple Tax as a way to attract new users to their ecosystem. The idea is that if you have a positive, free experience filing your taxes with them, you might be more inclined to trust them with your investments, savings, or other financial needs. It's a classic freemium model, but with a twist. The free part is incredibly generous and fully functional. They aren't holding back essential features to push you towards a paid upgrade within the tax software itself. Their revenue comes from their other services, not from charging you for tax filing. Now, let's talk about the specific features you get with the Pay What You Want plan, which, remember, can be $0. Firstly, it covers all the essential tax forms and situations. As mentioned, T4S, investment income, T3, T5, T5008, self-employment income, rental income, capital gains and losses, RRSP contributions, TFSA contributions, medical expenses, charitable donations, childcare expenses, tuition fees, you name it, it's likely included. This comprehensiveness is a major selling point. You won't find yourself hitting a paywall because you have a somewhat atypical tax slip. Secondly, Wealthsimple Tax offers an intuitive, user-friendly interface. This is something they've consistently been praised for. The software guides you through the process with clear questions and explanations, making tax filing less daunting, even for those who are new to it. They use a smart questionnaire format that helps you identify applicable deductions and credits you might not even know about. This smart search functionality is particularly helpful, allowing you to find forms and deductions by simply typing in keywords. Thirdly, autofill capabilities are a significant time saver. If you have a CRA My account, Wealthsimple Tax can seamlessly import your tax slips and other information directly from the CRA. This minimizes manual data entry, reduces errors, and speeds up the entire process. For existing Wealthsimple clients, your personal details might even be pre-filled, making it even faster. Fourthly, they offer a maximum refund guarantee. This means if you file with Wealthsimple Tax and then refile with a competitor using identical information and find a better refund, Wealthsimple will refund what you paid for their service, or up to $50 Canadian if you paid nothing. This demonstrates their confidence in their optimization algorithms to find you every deduction and credit you're entitled to. Fifth, for those who dabble in cryptocurrency, Wealthsimple Tax offers simplified crypto reporting. You can link your crypto wallets from various exchanges, and the software will automatically calculate your capital gains or losses, a feature that can be incredibly complex and time-consuming to do manually. This is a niche but incredibly valuable feature that is often absent or comes at a premium in other tax software. Sixth, they optimize your return automatically. For example, when it comes to splitting deductions like medical expenses or charitable donations between spouses, Wealthsimple Tax automatically calculates the optimal split to maximize your household refund. This kind of optimization can save you a significant amount of money and is typically a feature found in higher-tier, paid tax software. Finally, and perhaps most surprisingly for a free service, they offer human help when you need it. While the primary support channel for the free plan is email, they do have a friendly team of experts available to answer questions. This isn't the same as personalized tax advice, but for technical issues or clarifying how to input certain information, it's a valuable resource. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.